In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set standard rate in Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to fill in, so your billing is clear, consistent, and ready for invoicing. Start by logging into your Freshbooks account. When you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick snapshot of your business. From here, look over to the left-hand side. That's the main navigation panel you'll use throughout Freshbooks. Click Projects in that left menu. This is where you'll organize your work, set how you'll bill for it, and keep everything tied to the right client. Inside the Projects section, select Create New. This opens a fresh project so you can configure your standard rate and key details. You'll be prompted to set up your billing structure. FreshBooks lets you bill either at a flat rate or an hourly rate. Choose the option that fits how you price your work. For this walkthrough, select I'm charging a flat rate for this project. Flat rate is great when the scope is well defined and you want a single predictable price. Next, invite a team member if you collaborate with others. Adding colleagues here keeps time tracking and task ownership organized under one project and helps ensure any tracked hours or notes roll up neatly for reporting later. Now assign a client. Linking the project to a client ensures the right name appears on estimates, invoices, and reports, and it helps keep your books clean when you look back on performance. Enter a clear, descriptive project name. Use something you and your client will recognize at a glance, like the deliverable, timeframe, or package name, so it's easy to find later. Set an end date to define your timeline. This helps with planning, keeps you on track, and can be useful for filtering reports. Don't worry, you can adjust this date later if plans change. Enter your flat rate. This is the total amount you intend to bill for the entire project. Think of it as your agreed price for the scope, not tied to individual tasks. Enter the total hours you expect to spend. Even with a flat fee, estimating hours helps you monitor your effort against your budget, track profitability, and spot scope creep early. When everything looks good, click Save. Your project is now set with a standard rate, connected to the right client, and ready for time tracking and invoicing. That's it. Simple, organized, and professional.